years old, male and female again. And then at either end of the park, D1 and D4, there's mums with babies both there. D1, she has 4 little ones, but still very small, about this size. They're usually climbing around my mum's back or sometimes even hanging out of the pouch. And then the farmyard, D4, there's a mum with 3 babies. They're quite a bit bigger. They've got their own little nest in the hay and they're often climbing around in there. We have around 20 devils in the park.
Puffing and puffing. Don't fall in, Patrick.
Can't see properly, they're too short. Oh, there. That's good. That's good.
So that's the boy and that's the girl. Well, the man said that the boy is bigger. And the girl won. Girl power. But then he's already eaten something. And she was clever enough to find the jolly piece of meat and start. That's it, it's gone now.
Is there more?
You know what? They're like you two.
Hey.